Welcome again to Right Style Cooking TV. Today I'll be doing an aphrodisiac soup. In the pot I got 2 gallons of water. I'll be putting 5 cloves of garlic crushed and a tablespoon of allspice, also called pimento. I'll be adding 2 pounds of burnt goat foot, and this is a section of the foot between the knee and the hoof. This is cleaned, properly washed. This aphrodisiac soup, I will promise you, it can heal the sick, but it cannot raise the dead. And by all means, it's for men and women. I'll cover this pot and I'll boil it for 1.5 hours. Then I'll add the other ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna add the chopped up and cut up vegetables now. These vegetables are cut bite size. Got some bananas, green bananas. I'm adding some carrots, chocho, potatoes, Irish potatoes, pumpkin. And these I'll give it a boil for 30 minutes. Then I'll add the spinners, rolled up dumplings, and the remainder of the seasoning. That will be it. How lovely the soup, looking very delicious. Look at this. All the vegetables, the meat, everything's looking good. Now I'm gonna add the spinners. The spinners are optional. I'm just doing this because I feel like eating some today. Or you don't have to put spinners in your soup. Okay, how lovely this soup looks. Look at it. It's rich and lovely. Meat, vegetables, and soup. I'm gonna add some dry seasoning. One teaspoon perfect seasoning. Gonna add a packet of Grace pumpkin flavored soup. Nice and lovely. Color looks nice. The flavor, wow. Flavor is wonderful. Adding that, I make a little taste. Wonderful. I'm gonna add a teaspoon half a teaspoon black pepper. Give it a stir. Now I'm gonna, this will be boiled for approximately 20 minutes more, and I'll take it off. I nearly forgot to add my vegetable seasoning. I add 2 small onions, some scallions, red and green sweet pepper, bell pepper, about 5 sprigs of thyme, with a stir. How wonderful it looks. And it smells so good. And I'll put the star of the show, I'll drop him in, a Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay. Okay. The Aphrodisiac soup, Jamaican style, it's now finished. How lovely it looks. Excellent soup. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. This soup, like I say, can heal the sick, but this soup cannot raise the dead. Oh, lovely.